everyone, and welcome to Kailey's Kitchen. I'm here today with my nieces, and we're going to do a very special recipe from the Ghibli movie, The Secret World of Arriety. And we even did a picture of Arriety and her father, and they are eating soup. So there's a scene in the movie where they eat some soup, and we have a recipe to do that exact same soup. The first thing we need to do is find all our ingredients.
Let's get our recipe book.
The first ingredient is chicken, and we've got that defrosting,
And
so we'll get that
how
later.
would we make soup with no ingredients?
Yeah, we have to have our ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, next we need broccoli. So somebody go in the fridge, in the freezer, and find the broccoli. Okay, then we need an onion. So go in the pantry and find an onion. Next we need some carrots.
Carrots.
So in here,
Hey,
in the
I like
fridge.
carrots. I like carrots. Let me use them.
Okay.
You have to have carrots in that.
We need some vegetable broth. All right, here's the vegetable broth.
Let's put all our ingredients over there.
We need some green peas. So somebody get the peas out of the freezer.
I'm getting the peas.
Okay. Then we need bay leaves. Ooh, and potato.
Potatoes.
There's a huge bag of potatoes.
Little potatoes.
Yeah, tiny.
So cute. Tiny potatoes.
Tiny potatoes.
In my,
So
in my
cute.
mouth. Yeah, so cute.
Okay, next we need some butter. Definitely need butter.
Oh yeah, butter.
Some butter. Okay. And we need salt and pepper. Okay, salt and pepper. And we need bay leaves. Yeah, she got bay leaves in the movie.
So we need some bay leaves.
And then there's a bechamel sauce as well, but we'll do that later. We're just going to do the main part of the stew first, and then we'll make the bechamel sauce later on.
Main part.
Okay.
Maybe
All right, the first thing to do is season the chicken with salt and pepper and set it aside. And then we're going to boil the broccoli for 2 minutes until they are tender. Mmm, delicious. Let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. We got some of the ingredients, so we can start making it now.
All right. All right, here comes the broccoli.
Cut. Don't want to get your fingers too close or you might cut yourself.
All right, now you get to put the broccoli into the pan. How much broccoli does it say?
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's see.
Don't ask me. I'm not a baby.
It says 1 head of broccoli, so like an entire thing of broccoli.
Oh.
Put like half maybe? Put half the bag in there.
Enough?
I think 3 more.
You just stick them out with your hands. 1, 2. Yeah, that's enough. What?
We got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I eat one?
You don't want to eat one that's frozen, honey.
Why?
No, because it's not cooked. You can't eat that.
And it's frozen. It'll hurt
Yeah,
your
it's
teeth.
frozen. It'll hurt your teeth. Ooh.
Hurt my cat.
Okay, here we go. We got some broccoli. We're gonna boil it.
Gonna have to boil it. Gonna have to boil it. What? Mommy has a hole. Dirty. You brought her. I forgot to give her to Lolly so Lolly could sew her.
Oh, yeah. Let's ask Lolly to bring her sewing stuff.
Yeah.
All right, we'll put our chicken in the middle. Emmy, I want you to put some salt on the chicken, please. All around, not too much. There, that's enough. All right, Andy Lynn, you can put the pepper. Just a little bit.
Oh.
Whoa.
That's enough.
Okay, well that's okay. We can kind of spread it around. That's okay.
Ugh.
Yeah, that's a lot of pepper.
What
Ooh.
a smell.
Ooh, yeah. There, we'll kind of spread it around like that.
Sneezy weezy time.
Okay, it says heat vegetable oil and butter in a large heavy pot over medium heat. Add the diced chicken to the pot and fry the chicken until it is browned on all sides for about 7 minutes. And then after that, we'll add in the onion. All right, so put some butter in there. It doesn't really say how much butter. Does it say how much butter? 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Oh, that looks about right, yeah.
I got like a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Okay, put it in the pan. Actually, do one more like that, because we love lots of butter. Mmm, delicious. All right, so now I'm gonna cut up the chicken into little pieces, and we'll get it frying in the pan.
Cut. How did you do?
Yeah, good. Just take apart the layers. We're trying to cut this onion, but it's making our eyes water. Cut apart the layers and then cut it into teeny weeny tiny pieces. Just cut it up the best you can.
I'm taking apart the layers. The smell makes my nose hurt, but I don't care.
Okay.
I'm taking apart the layers too.
And then when you finish, you'll need to wash your hands because now you got that oniony smell on your hands.
Yeah,
right?
you don't want that to go in the car with you.
Yeah.
Ew, yeah. Not at the stink bar
And
yet.
try to kind of keep your head away from it so it doesn't get in your eyes so much. There you go. So kind of keep your head up.
Oh, my back hurts.
Okay, well just do the best you can.
It's kind of hard to cut these onions. They have like a thick layer, then a soft layer, then a thick, then a soft. It's kind of hard to deal with. Right now we're doing potatoes.
All right, the next thing is the potatoes. Let's get out the bag of potatoes.
Oh.
Okay, open it up.
I'm opening it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna put them in.
You need to ask permission.
Can I please?
Yes, you may get out the scissors very carefully. Very careful.
Oh.
I think that's probably far enough. Now try to just tear it the rest of the way. Close the scissors. There we go. Okay, now just tear it.
Okay,
There
can I
we
put
are.
them in?
Well, the water's already hot, so I'm gonna put them in. Okay?
Let me put it back. Can I put one in?
No, because the water's hot, honey.
But I'll be careful.
I don't want you to burn yourself, though.
I won't.
You promise you'll be extra careful? Okay.
I want to put one in. I promise.
All right, I'll carry you. Ooh, you're big now.
In there?
Yep, right in there. Okay, put it in. See, but you don't want to do like that. Then you splash us with hot water. Do it gentle. There we go. Okay, good job, guys.
Sorry.
Okay,
That was easy.
I'll put some more in.
Potatoes are boiling. Potatoes are boiling.
Okay, then it says to cut up some carrots.
Cut up the
Will
carrots.
you please get out the scissors one more time?
Can I?
You're supposed to ask before you can have a snack. Why are you just having a snack out of nowhere? We're going to eat lunch in a little while. This is what we're cooking our lunch.
Can I get the?
Go ahead and get the scissors out. I don't know how you snuck that past me. Are you really that hungry that you have to eat it right now? We're about to eat in a little while. All right, you can eat half of it, okay? All right, cut up some carrots.
Hold on. Let me count. Let's go do 4. Get 2 more. 1.5. Cut. I can't cut up the carrots. How'd you cut that one before me? Ah! Carrots! Emmy, why are you eating one? And she snuck a carrot past you. I can't cut it.
Woo!
Big crunch. Crunch.
I'll set
Crunch.
this aside to save it for later, okay?
Okay. It's attached. My carrot's attached to my knife.
You can eat carrots, that's okay.
But not carrots that you put in soup. Not put in soup. Sorry, I can't cut very well with these knives. With carrots.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
Yeah, we need
Kinda hard
soft
to do.
carrots. But we're making the soup. That was mine.
That was yours? There you go.
Big carrots.
That was funny.
Yeah. Ah, where'd it go? Ah, it went right in the hole. Ah. Cut. Oh, yes, this one. That's already cutted.
How many carrots do you want to have in the soup?
Tons.
Tons? Ooh,
Yes.
okay.
This will be your surprise.
All right.
The whole pot will be filled with carrots.
Yeah.
There'll be no room for broccoli or peas.
Oh boy.
Ah! I just touched it and then I broke it in half.
Wow.
Strong muscles. Look at this. Hello, I'm Olaf. Okay, Andy. I just ate it right off. I'm the Captain Marshall.
Okay, put it in the pot.
Get one baby.
Careful, because it's hot. Mm-hmm.
Now I can't get my brother.
Smell it. Does it smell good?
Smells good. That one?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
That one?
Yeah, put it in.
Oh.
Nice job. Okay, next we're going to put our rice in. Not in the soup, but separate to have just rice separate. That's okay if it spills a little.
Turn off the spill.
Mm-hmm. There we go. All right, now we'll put it on the boil. Get our rice ready.
Yep, get our rice ready.
Well, they're too busy playing to continue cooking, so now I'm on my own. So the next thing to do is the bechamel sauce.
Hey, I want
3 tablespoons of salted butter, 5 tablespoons of flour, and 1 cup of whole milk, salt and butter to taste, ground nutmeg. So let's get it going.
I tried to find my sister.
You silly. Our bechamel sauce is nice and thick and creamy, so it's time to add it into the soup. So the instructions say to first ladle some of the broth from the soup over into the bechamel sauce to kind of get it combined and everything. Otherwise it might start sort of getting clumpy, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. Well, it's hard to get broth without any peas in it. Well, there'll just have to be some peas in it. Too bad. Whole kitchen just smells amazing. I want to eat it right now. But our rice isn't quite ready yet. And of course we have our guests coming for lunch. So I still have to wait a little while till it's ready. Okay, this is ready to go in. All in there just a little at a time. So it really mixes in. Really creamy. Okay, oh, it looks just like the movie.
I want some seaweed.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna cut up the seaweed into smaller pieces
Can
here.
I please have a seaweed paste?
Yeah, you guys go wash your hands.
Okay. Seaweed! Cutty, cutty, cutty. Can I have a piece of seaweed?
Yep, you can just eat a piece if you want to.
Okay, I'm gonna have this small piece.
Okay, take some of our rice, make it up into a little ball. Hope it sticks together. You know what I should have done? I should have put some butter, some oil on my hands first. That way it won't stick to my hands.
Can I have some more seaweed?
Yes, you may.
Can I?
Yes, you may. All right, so let's all put a little bit of olive oil on our hands. All right. All right, and then that way, hopefully the rice won't stick to our hands.
And stick together.
It'll stick together better. Okay, make a little shape. And then put it in the middle of your seaweed.
Then
And wrap it up.
That's how we make our wrap rolls.
Does that look pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks like a
Okay,
sushi.
you guys do some.
Oh my word, this is sticking to my hands. That. I made a tiny sushi.
Okay.
Look at my tiny sushi. That's how you make a tiny sushi. You just make a tiny sushi.
Is it too hot?
Can I have more seaweed?
Yes.
Seaweed.
There you go.
Put them in my mouth.
You put them in your mouth.
Can I have some seaweed?
Yes.
Tia?
Mm-hmm. It got sticky. Yeah, it still sticks a little bit. Okay, try to make your rice balls.
Oh, this is so hard. Hot. Get it off of my hands. So hot. I can't make this. I can't make it, Tia. I'm tearing some of the seaweed, the extra seaweed off, so I can eat it. I like it. Me too. I can have this every day. Me too.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
And remember, the right book in the right hands at the right time can change the world.
The right book? I thought this wasn't about books.
Yeah, but it's because it's a recipe from a book. The Borrowers is a book. And then they made a movie, The Secret World of Arriety, from that book. And now we've done the recipe from the movie. It's a little bit convoluted, but it works. Bye!
Bye!